In this video, let us learn how to create 100 folders or more than that in just 2 seconds with the help of Excel. In this example, let me consider this sheet with 100 department names like this, and now let's try to create folders with these names. First step is to copy the text of the first cell. In the column B, in first cell, we have to enter the text like this: MD space in the inverted quotes type department -1 close the inverted quote and press enter. Repeat the same for all the balance cells. You may use the flash fill option by pressing Ctrl E, or you can use the formula to get this result. Once you are done, go to the desired folder where you would like to create the 100 folders. Open a new notepad. Go to the Excel file, copy the column B values and then paste the same into this notepad and save this file as list.bat. .bat is nothing but the batch file format, and close this file. Now just double click this notepad batch file and you will see that the command prompt is running, and you will be thrilled to see the creation of 100 folders like this in less than 2 seconds. Got it, friends? It is so nice, right? So in this way, one can create 100 folders or more than that in just 2 seconds with the help of Excel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.